Want cinema level sound at home from Dolby Atmos to DTS:X under any budget from 7,000 to 35,000 home theater monsters? Today we are checking out the top Zebronic soundbars of 2026. Don't forget to subscribe now for honest reviews and epic tech content, and let's find your perfect cinematic experience. So let's start. If you want to experience Dolby Atmos on a budget, this soundbar is for you. This is the Zebronic Jugar 1000 Dolby Atmos soundbar. This soundbar isn't just about loud volume. It focuses on delivering a cinema-style sound spread, especially for movies and OTT content. With Dolby Atmos support, the sound feels more open and spacious. You get a subtle height and depth effect, where action scenes feels lifted and background music sounds wider than standard 2.1 soundbars. It delivers 200-watt total output with dual drivers, which keeps dialogues and vocals clear and center focused. Even during action scenes, voices remain easy to understand. For bass, you get a 13.33 cm dedicated subwoofer. The bass is deep and controlled, perfect for movies, though it's not meant for extreme floor-shaking bass. Connectivity includes HDMI ERC, optical aux, USB, and Bluetooth version 5.3. Using HDMI ERC with Atmos content noticeably improves the sound experience at around 6,599. Getting Dolby Atmos at this price is extremely rare. If you want an affordable taste of immersive cinema-style sound, this soundbar is absolutely worth considering. The best buying link is in the video description. You can check it out. The next soundbar is for those who want true 5.1 surround sound and a proper immersive experience without spending too much. This is the Zebronic Jukebox 7400 Pro soundbar. It features 5.1 channel setup with 400-watt RMS output, which gives movies, TV shows, and music a much more cinematic feels compared to regular 2.1 soundbars. Because of the 5.1 configuration, sound doesn't come only from the front. You start to feel audio coming from around you, making action scenes and background effects more engaging. One of the highlight here is the 6.5-inch subwoofer, which delivers deep and impactful bass explosions and low frequency effect feel punchy, while the rear satellites help create a wider sound stage. In terms of clarity, mids and vocals stay clean. Dialogues are clear and easy to understand, especially during regular TV watching and OTT content. For connectivity, you get HDMI ERC, optical in aux, USB, and Bluetooth version 5.2, covering all your basic needs. Priced at around 8,600, this soundbar offers excellent value for anyone looking for an affordable 5.1 surround sound setup. The best buying link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Next, we have a powerful 5.1 channel soundbar from Zebronics that comes in around the 10,000 price range. The Zebronics ZebJugbar 9500WS Pro. This is a 525-watt surround sound system designed to deliver a cinematic experience, not just loud sound. You get a 225-watt soundbar, a 150-watt subwoofer, and dual 75-watt wireless rear satellites, giving you proper true 5.1 surround sound. With Dolby audio decoding, movies and OTT content sound rich and immersive. Dialogues stay clear and center focused, background score feel deeper, and action scenes hit with good impact. Bass comes from a 16.5 cm dedicated subwoofer, which delivers deep, punchy, and low frequencies without overpowering the sound. Connectivity options include HDMI ERC, optical aux, USB, and Bluetooth version 5.2, priced at around 10,499. The best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. Now, if you are looking for a Zebronic soundbar under 13,000 that deliver theater-like surround sound with heavy bass, the Zebronic Jukebox 9510WS Pro is a great pick. It's a Dolby audio-enabled 5.1 channel system featuring a 225-watt triple driver soundbar, a 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer, and dual wireless rear satellites, giving you a full 360-degree cinematic sound experience. With Dolby audio processing, movies and OTT content sound wider and more immersive, while dialogues remain clear and well focused. The wireless subwoofer delivers deep, punchy bass, and the rear satellites add proper surround depth. You also get Bluetooth version 5.1, HDMI ERC, optical, USB, and aux connectivity, priced at around 12,999. The best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. So if you are looking for another 5.1 channel soundbar under 15,000, one solid option you can consider is the Zebronic Jukebox 9530 Pro soundbar. This comes with true 5.1 channel surround sound along with Dolby audio decoding, which means the sound doesn't just come from the front, it surrounds you from all directions, creating a much more immersive experience. The soundbar delivers total output of 340 watt, which feels well balanced for the segment. It focuses equally on clarity, surround effects, and bass instead of just pushing loud sound. Thanks to its triple driver soundbar, the audio feels richer and more layered. Dialogues stay center focused and clear, especially while watching movies and web series. For bass lovers, the 6.5-inch subwoofer delivers a solid punch. Bass is deep and impactful during action scenes and explosions. The rear satellites make the surround effect clearly noticeable. In terms of connectivity, you get Bluetooth version 5.2, HDMI ERC, optical in aux, and USB, covering all your daily needs. Price wise, it's available at around 13,999, and the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. Now the next soundbar is people who want a cinema-like hall experience at home. This is the Zebronic ZebJugbar 9700 Pro. It's a 525-watt 5.1 channel sound system with Dolby Atmos support, which means means sound doesn't stay flat, you get a wider sound stage with left right movement, rear surround and sense of height, making movies feels more immersive. The overall tuning is clearly cinema focused. With its 5.1 configuration, soundbar dedicated subwoofer and rear channel support. Bass performance is strong, the subwoofer delivers deep and punchy bass, but it is stage control and clean. Dialogues clarity is also well handled. Voices remain center focused and clear. In movies and OTT content, even during heavy background music, connectivity is solid. HDMI optical in USB, aux and Bluetooth, and the price is around 14,999. And the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. In the same budget range, there is another powerful soundbar from Zebronics that offers Dolby Atmos decoding and delivers a true immersive experience. The Zebronics Jaguar 9750 Pro. What really sets the soundbar apart is its sound immersion. It's a true 5.1.2 channel system, which means you get front channels, wireless rear channels, and overhead sound. The overall tuning is clearly cinema focused with Dolby Atmos decoding. The dual wireless rear satellites complete the surround experience, while the 6.5-inch subwoofer delivers deep and punchy bass with solid impact. Dialogue clarity is also strong, voices stay clean, centered, and well separated. Connectivity is well covered with HDMI ERC, HDMI ERC, optical aux, USB, and Bluetooth version 5.2 at around 15,999. And the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. Next on the list is Zebronics soundbar that delivers a seriously theater-like experience. The Zebronics Jaguar 9550 Pro. It's a 5.2 channel system, which means you get a dual subwoofer setup with a massive 625 watt total output. The bass here isn't just audible, it's a something you can actually feel. Whether it's movies, explosion, action scenes, or bass heavy music tracks, the low frequencies hit deep, thick, and chest thumping. Audio processing is handled by Dolby Audio, which keeps the sound layered and dynamic instead of flat. Dialogues stay clear and well centered even during intense scenes. Connectivity is solid with Bluetooth version 5.3, HDMI ERC, and optical input. Priced at around 24,999. The best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. Now the next soundbar on this list is Zebronics Jaguar 9900 soundbar. This is not a normal setup. It's a 5.2.4 channel sound system, which means you get front channels, rear channels, dual subwoofers, and top firing drivers. Those top firing drivers are what create the real Dolby Atmos magic, throwing sound upward and adding vertical depth to the audio. The bass here is not just deep, it's controlled and cinematic. For surround performance, this soundbar support both Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Effects don't just move left and right, you actually feel sound movement from above. Helicopters, rain scenes, crowd ambience, everything feels layered and truly immersive. Dialogue clarity is solid too, thanks to Dolby processing. Connectivity is flexible with Bluetooth version 5.3, HDMI ERC, optical in aux and USB. You also get a wireless VHF microphone priced at around 23,999, and the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. If you are looking for the ultimate home theater experience, this isn't just a soundbar, it's a full-fledged home theater monster. Meet the Zebronics Jaguar 10,000 with a massive 1100 watt RMS output, 7.2.4 surround sound, and support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. This means sound doesn't just move left, right, or front back, it comes from all directions with multi-layered 3D cinematic movement. Bass hits from below, effects move above, and audio surrounds you. This is the real Dolby Atmos experience. Zebronics uses Acoustimax technology for clear dialogues, crisp highs, and deep tight bass. Connectivity is premium Bluetooth version 5.3, HDMI ERC, optical aux, USB, and even a wireless UHF mic, priced at around 35,999. And the best buying link is in the description. You can check it out. So these were the top best Zebronics soundbars under 10,000 to 40,000, which you can choose based on your needs and budget. All their best buying links are available in the video description, so you can check them out and make your purchase easily. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Have any question or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.